Not present. Sri Sanjay Kumar.
I compliment the Finance Minister for bringing this bill. The 2025 Income Tax Bill modernized India's 1961 tax framework. Tax officials can now access digital device alongside traditional records, addressing litigation gaps. Salary earners up to 12.75 lakhs are tax exempt and can file simplified forms via Forms 26AS. Undisclosed income definition expand to include virtual digital assets. The faceless assessment system is strengthened, eliminating taxpayers' officials' interaction through technology and team-based evaluation with dynamic jurisdiction to reduce corruption. Dispute resolution panels must now provide detailed reasoning for decisions. Tax treaty interpretation is enhanced by allowing undefined terms to derive meanings from other federal legislation, improving clarity in international tax agreement. The bill primarily aimed to simplify the language and remove redundant provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961. The current Income Tax Act 1961 lacks specific provisions for digital devices, creating litigation disputes. The 2025 Income Tax Bill explicitly authorized tax officials to assess digital device alongside traditional paper records like accounts books and ledgers that contains income and expenditure information. Recent tax regime changes exempt salary earners up to 12.75 lakhs from tax liability. According to provisions of the bill, these individuals can submit a simplified claim form instead of full income tax returns. This process integrates with Form 26AS, which provides a comprehensive record of taxes deducted and collected at sources. The 1961 Income Tax Act defines undisclosed income in such cases as cash, gold, jewelry, and other valuables. The new income tax income tax bill broadens this definition to encompass virtual digital asset as well. Under the IT Act 1961, there is a provision for faceless tax information collection. This provision aims to eliminate direct interaction between taxpayers and tax authorities by leveraging technology, reducing corruption, and optimizing administrative resources. It empowers the central government to establish a digital, team-based system for collecting tax information with dynamic jurisdiction, ensuring transparency and efficiency while maintaining parliamentary oversight. Dispute resolution. The 1961 Act permits qualified taxpayers, including those in transfer, pricing cases, non-resident and foreign companies, to submit a draft tax assessment to a dispute resolution panel for guidance. The draft will maintain this provision, but now requires the panel to provide detailed reasoning and determining factors with their decisions. The law enables the central government to create international agreement preventing double taxation. When treaty terms lacks definition in the agreement or act, the government provide meanings through notification. The bill adds that undefined terms may also derive meanings from other federal legislation. The Act establishes anonymous information gathering and tax assessment procedures which the bill preserves. Additionally, the bill grants the central government new powers to develop schemes aimed at improving operational efficiency, transparency, and accountability in tax administration. The bill pared down the number of words in the law to around 2.5 lakh to 2.59 lakhs from the 5.12 lakhs in the income tax 1961. 2,59,000 से 5,12,000 से 2.59 lakhs words, almost half हो गया. The number of sections 2 have been slashed to 536 from 819. In order to provide greater clarity, the new bill has increased the number of tables it incorporates.
Sanjay, conclude.
1 minute. Please. To 57 from 18, and number of formulate to 46 from 6. The above provision have enabled the consolidation of a scattered clauses and simplified the complex language of income tax principle. The IT bill seeks to transform...
Thank you, Sanjay ji.
Just one minute. Ek minute.
Thank you. Already...
transform the Act into concise, lucid and accessible legal instrument, more so for the normal income taxpayer. One suggestion to ma'am, to Finance Minister, the definition of computer system is wide and also include virtual digital space. The above terminology in attempt to modernize tax enforcement. 1 minute.
I'll call now. Next speaker.
One suggestion is issuing clear SOPs guidelines in this regard and conducting regular sensitized training program in this regard would serve as a confidence, because if you teach the mobile or computer.
Thank you, Sanjay.
That is one suggestion.
Thank you. Next speaker, Sri Sanjay Seth.
धन्यवाद सर। सबसे पहले मैं इस ऐतिहासिक